Surprise egg! Surprise egg! It's so heavy. How can we open it? We open. Open. Surprise egg! So cool! Let's open them, Cuquin. Choose one. No, all of them. Not all, Cuquin. Just one by one. Number 2, the pink Pink egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A cockroach.
La cucaracha, la cucaracha. All she wanted was to run. She doesn't notice our little music. Now she won't have any dance. La
Right! Mama! Number 1. The green egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A spider.
Itsy bitsy spider, he never had to talk. All he had to do was pin his way about. He worked, 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 and when the time was right, the itsy bitsy spider, he cries, he cries, he cries. The itsy bitsy spider, the sun is on his side.
Yay! Mama! Number 3. The orange egg. Oh! Open, open, open. Surprise! An ant. Yay!
The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, and finally Cuquin is diving so high, and the water is splashing a lot, very much all around.
Download the Cleo and Cuquín app and let the fun begin.
Ha! Ha! Whoa! Oh! Oops! It fell. Orange! Whoa! Oh! Ha! Ha! Huh? Orange.
Orange Play-Doh.
Orange ball.
Ball? No. Orange egg. Huh?
Ha. Oh.
Oh?
Big orange egg.
Big orange pony. So pretty.
Orange pony. Yay! Purple. Oh.
Like this, Cuquin.
Pink egg.
Pink Play-Doh.
Big pink egg. Big pink pony.
It's very big.
Pink pony. Oh, blue.
Blue Play-Doh.
Blue egg. Big blue egg. Big blue pony.
Hi, Pony.
Ha. Wee.
Yay!
Purple. Oh?
No Play-Doh? Huh.
Purple Play-Doh. Purple egg. Big purple egg.
A purple ponycorn?
Purple ponycorn.
Ponies are my friends.
Orange pony. Pink pony. Blue pony. Purple ponycorn.
Yay!